Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you guys my Mexican Pride eye makeup. It is one of my favorite looks to create because every year I change it up. So this year I went with a nice bold red liner and some green eyeshadow on the bottom. So if you guys want to see what products I used and how I created the look, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional primer, and that's just gonna go all over my skin to prep for makeup application. So I have one of my brows done and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. So I decided to try my new Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I had no idea how pigmented it was, so yeah. So we're starting with the Pur Cosmetics Festival palette, and I'm using the shade Epic, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff that into my crease with a nice big fluffy crease brush. And from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions eyeshadow palette, I'm grabbing the dark brown shade, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner of the eye just for a little bit of definition. And now for my favorite product of this video, I'm grabbing the Kat Von D Beauty Longwear Pomade in the shade Scarlet, and I'm going to use that to create a winged liner. And moving on to the face, I'm using the Farsali liquid glass drops, and I'm going to apply that all over the face. And for foundation, I'm using my Tarte Foundcealer in the shade 44S. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in the shade Tan. For the next part, my camera kind of failed me, but for the green eyeshadow on my bottom lash line, I'm using the Tarte's Pro Remix eyeshadow palette and the shade Color Explosion with a mix of the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet eyeshadow palette, and I'm grabbing the lime green shade. And for lashes, I'm using the Battington Beauty Harlow 3D lashes. And for contour, I'm using the Doll 10 Complexion Face Palette, and I'm mixing the shades Vacay Vibes and Sculpted, and I'm just going to put that on the hollows of my cheeks. And for blush, I'm mixing both shades Blushful and Caught in the Act. And for highlight, I'm using the Pur Cosmetics Sculptor palette, and I'm grabbing both shades Originator and Trailblazer. And using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions eyeshadow palette again, I'm gonna grab a nice golden shade, and that's gonna go on the inner corner of the eye. And for my favorite part, I'm grabbing the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Date Night. And here we are, my beautiful people, at the end of another video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what other kind of videos you would like to see me do. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at MakeupPixie. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!